Good morning, viewers of Sun Insurance and Logistics. How is everybody doing today? If you are new to this channel, please help us out by subscribing, share, like, and turn your notification on. Every time we do a video like this, YouTube will definitely notify you. So a lot of times people have problems of their driver's license is having some issues. They have speeding tickets. They do have violations like parking tickets, or for some reason not yielding to the traffic light signs, and they do have claims. So in other words, the license, when you try to do a quote for them, it's bringing the quote too high for them, or very expensive to afford. I've seen it practically, because most people, when they come to my office to get quotations for their automobile, they raise have concerns which I usually see, and this is why I'm making this video here for you guys to know what you're supposed to do to help you out. So what happens, point number one, is if you are having issues or your license is bad, the first thing you have to do is, depending on your state, you have to take a defensive course. That's you have to go for a driving training, whereby the instructors, they teach you on how to become a good driver. Now, you might not completely erase the violations of your license, but in some way you may earn some credits, which eventually is going to help you to lower the insurance premiums, either at renewal or when you switch to another insurance. So what you do, you make sure that the institution you go to take the defensive classes is state certified. You can go to your DMV, local DMV, the state where you live in. If you live in New Jersey, New York, go check the guidelines for defense classes. You take those classes, and then you go, and the instructor will send those credits to your state, and then you can earn those credits. The second thing you have to do is to stay in touch with the DMV. Some of the licenses, some of the violations, they remain in your license for some time. So the best thing you have to do is to go to DMV and ask them, if, for example, you have a speeding ticket, ask them how long is the speeding ticket gonna stay in your record. So in that way, if they say it's 3 years, after 3 years, you can just go and make sure they remove it off the record, because things happen. They might forget. If it was to end in 2022, if you forget and go to check it out after 2022, you might find that you've been paying high rates when it was supposed to be terminated in 2022. So the point here is, make sure you stay in touch with the DMV, so they know what you are supposed to do. Another remedy you can use to correct mistakes on your license. Let's say, for example, you were stopped for a broken tail light on your vehicle, or you were not wearing a seatbelt because there was a fault on the seatbelt. And the police, if they stop you, they might give you a warning. So with me, I recommend if they give you a warning, go and make sure you fix the tail light. Don't just say that I'm given a warning and I will fix it maybe next month or something. If you can, fix this right away, because you never know who's gonna stop you next. In that way, you don't risk getting another ticket which could hurt your driving record. That's one of the things which you need to do. And observe the traffic rules on the road. If you like driving out of town or a radius of 100 or 50, wherever it is, just change your habits, driving habits. And also on top of that, if you want your rates, talk to your insurance agent. So if you did a claim, or if you did something with your vehicle, and talk to your insurance and see if there are any discount they can give you. So having a bad driving record does not mean you don't deserve to get discounts. There are some discounts which exist, but you have to get in touch with your insurance agent so they can tell you what happens. For example, I know there are some other companies out there who can, for example, Progressive, they have snapshot programs which you can earn at 30% off your annual premiums, but you have to authorize them to correct your data, driving data, the times you are driving. If you are not driving certain times of the day, that one contributes. If you don't drive long distance, if you live like 10 miles out from your residence and the place of work, that one also contributes. So the snapshot, it doesn't choose like you have a bad driving record. It's something which you can try to discuss to give you like a 30% off your total premiums, but it has to stay there for about a month or so to around 3 months. So it's something you have to look at. The last thing I'm going to talk about on this video is about claims. Most people, most drivers, most motorists, they might think that anything, if you have a small scratch, they run and say, we want to file a claim. They call the insurance and file a claim. So the best things, the best practice you have to do is to not be filing any claims. If it's a small claim which you can go, a small scratch, you can go and get your vehicle fixed. Just go and fix it, because some insurance companies, if you do a claim which is more than $1,000, that one is gonna hurt your rates during the renewal. You might not see it right away, but it might hurt you in the renewal. And so yeah, those are the things I can think of right now which you can do to help you correct your bad record on your driver's license. And always make sure you renew your driver's license on time. If it is expired, just take an Uber. Don't risk, driving yourself and saying, okay, I will will renew it later. Just renew it on a time. So guys, I hope this video can help you decide on what to do if you are having problems with your licenses. Check this video out. Give me some comments below this video and let me know what state you have, what problems you have, and we can go from there. Thank you for your time, guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. But meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, like videos, share, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for your time, and have a good day. Bye bye.